Okay, hello. Yes, sorry, students. So, hello, students, and welcome back to BankExamsToday.com. My name is Ramandeep Singh, and today's topic is break-even point. So, there was a question from break-even point in PNB Credit Officer, 2020, and then in RRB GBO, and let it be any credit officer level exam. There is a question from break even point. So break even point is itself very important. Core credit management topics are important, but break even point is an important topic. That is why there are hardly 5 or 6 important questions. That's what I'm going to share today. So if you are doing that much, that would be enough. Okay, that would be enough. Okay. So let me just check. Okay, let me just check if everything is working properly so that I can start, this video. Okay. Let me just check if everything is working properly. Please ask your doubts in the super chat. Good evening, everybody. Good evening, Neha. Good evening, Durga. Let's start the topic with this simple chart. See, students, when you start a business, you started a business. Let's say, आपने pen बनाने, you started making pens. ठीक है? You need fixed assets. You need fixed assets. ठीक है? You need fixed assets. You need plant and machinery. Basic जो plant चाहिए, right? To start a factory. Even if I'm teaching online, I need a computer, I need a microphone, I need lights, I need basic setup, I need a website to start the online teaching. So that is my fixed cost. Even if nobody registered for my course, still I need to spend that much money. Still I need to spend that much money. तो इतने पैसे मुझे लगाने पड़ेंगे. Okay, that is fixed cost. Okay. So gradually, right, when people when people start coming when people start registering for the course, there is per unit cost. Similarly to the pens, TK, you set up, you have a plant, machinery, everything. Now you start making pens. So you need to buy raw materials. You need to buy, all kind of raw material to produce a pen. Similarly, in this online classes, you people, let's say, took the course. So we have per year, for each student, we need to have similar servers, right? I need to hire more people for the support, right? Similarly, for making pens, plant and machinery, that is fixed cost. What is variable cost? That is raw material. Raw material, ये एक अच्छा example है. Raw material, labor, the direct labor, it's a variable cost. So as the production increases, that variable cost would increase. So that is fixed cost. And this one is this one is a variable cost, and all that until that is total cost. Okay. So variable cost starts from here. The variables to cost start from here. So that is a total cost. So until that is a total cost. And TR, this is a total revenue. So when you start, when you see, this is the fixed cost. No matter what, fixed cost is same up to jitni capacity. Yeah, let's say the capacity of the whole plant is to produce 50,000 units. So until 50,000, the fixed cost would be whatever, this would be the fixed cost. So after yes ki capacity, after that the fixed cost would be that you bought another plant, so that would be the fixed cost. Okay. So after some point that will be there like that. Okay. So this is the revenue, total revenue. Okay. So it's going like that. So this point, this is the break-even point where total revenue and total cost, it intersects each other. And at this point, there is no profit. There is no profit, no loss. कोई profit नहीं है इस level पे, कोई loss नहीं है. That is known as break-even point. At this point, you make no profit, no loss. So can you, this portion, let's say only this much units are sold. Okay, let's say this much units are sold. This portion is your loss. So you are making losses, right? So you are making losses up until that point. At this point, there is no loss. So this is your profit. This is your profit. This green point, this is your profit. This is your loss. Okay. So you need to note it down. Okay. So as you are selling more units, so this thing, as you are selling more units, you can see this point. I can change. Let me just erase it. See, as you are, sorry, as you are, let me just, okay, now this is, as you are selling more units, the loss is decreasing. The loss, see, the loss is decreasing. At this point, there is no loss. So as you're selling more and more units, the profit is increasing. Okay, this is the basic concept of break even point. Okay, so mathematically, if you see sales, whatever the sales is, sales minus fixed cost, whatever you get, let's say the fixed cost is 20 rupees. So you get contribution. You get the contribution. Sales minus fixed cost, you get the contribution. To find out the break even point, let's say it's 80. To find out the break even point, to find out the break even uh, sales minus variable cost, sorry, sales minus variable cost, आपको मिल जाएगा contribution. What is variable cost? The per unit, let's say whatever the per unit cost is, ठीक है, per unit cost to produce the goods, ठीक है, यहाँ पे raw material labor वगैरह है, that is variable cost, ठीक है. So we got the contribution. The break even point का formula is fixed cost divided by contribution. Fixed cost divided by contribution. We'll do some questions, कुछ questions करेंगे जिससे आपको ये concept clear हो जाएगा. That question will be the concept would be cleared, clarify हो जाएगा, ठीक है. So let's move forward. Abhay Srivastava, बचे हुए mocks. I wanted to do updated mocks, Abhay. Actually, the fact was that we started the course 3 months back. At that point of time, we made the mocks. So the professional knowledge was outdated, I think. So now we are adding more quizzes. Okay, more tests we are working on it. Okay. Given selling price is 20 per unit. The given selling price is 20 per unit. Okay, 20 per unit is the selling price. Variable cost is 16. What is contribution? So as I told you, selling price minus variable cost per unit आइए, ठीक है. मैं variable cost ₹4. This is your contribution per unit. Contribution per unit. You got contribution per unit. So B is the correct answer. B is the correct answer. ठीक है. This is the contribution. कुछ नहीं है. Selling price minus variable cost हो गया contribution. So contribution में क्या क्या आता है? What is contribution में क्या क्या आ गया? ठीक है. Contribution में आपका आ जाएगा fixed cost. Fixed cost plus whatever, if profit है तो plus हो जाएगा. If there is profit, then it is profit or loss. You need to add profit or deduct the loss. Profit or loss, ठीक है. Loss minus हो जाएगा, ठीक है. Profit or loss, that is contribution, ठीक है. Simple. ABC is a company which sells shoes for 450 rupees. So मुझे कलर चेंज करना चाहिए, ग्रीन की आदत नहीं है मुझे. So I guess it's a I like blue. Okay, it's better. So company sells the shoes for 450 rupees. The variable cost we got $200. Fixed cost $7,50,000. Break even point निकालना है, ठीक है. So we got the selling price. First of all, selling price कितना है? It is $750. Selling price is $750. Selling price SP लिख रहा हूँ, please try to understand, ठीक है. It is $450. Variable cost पर यूनिट इज $200. एक यूनिट प्रोड्यूस करने के लिए $200 खर्चा है. सो कॉन्ट्रीब्यूशन कितना है? $250 इज द कॉन्ट्रीब्यूशन. कॉन्ट्रीब्यूशन इज $250 पर यूनिट. पर यूनिट का आपका कॉन्ट्रीब्यूशन आ गया एक यूनिट पे $250. दैट इज इधर फिक्स्ड कॉस्ट और प्रॉफिट और लॉस, ठीक है. ये फिक्स्ड कॉस्ट प्लस प्रॉफिट और लॉस विच इज कॉन्ट्रीब्यूशन, ठीक है. हमारे पास कॉन्ट्रीब्यूशन आ गया. बीईपी का फॉर्मूला, ब्रेक इवन पॉइंट का फॉर्मूला क्या था? फिक्स्ड कॉस्ट डिवाइडेड बाय कंट्रीब्यूशन. फिक्स्ड कॉस्ट डिवाइडेड बाय कॉन्ट्री, ठीक है. फिक्स्ड कॉस्ट कितना है? 7,50,000, ठीक है. कंट्रीब्यूशन कितना है? 250. तो ये सीधा सीधा चल जाएगा 3. तो 3,000 यूनिट्स इज आवर ब्रेक इवन पॉइंट. सो इफ कंट्रीब्यूशन इज इन यूनिट्स एंड इफ यू आर एडिंग यहाँ पे, इफ यू आर एडिंग द कंट्रीब्यूशन इन टर्म्स ऑफ यूनिट्स, तो आपका ब्रेक इवन पॉइंट भी यूनिट में आएगा. Your break even point be in terms of unit. 3,000 units is your break even point. So what is the value of these 3,000 units? इसका break even point कितना हो गया फिर? So 3,000 units. So 1 unit is equal to $450. So 13,50,000, 1.35 million. This is the correct answer. Are you getting it? We got the break even point in terms of units. तो यूनिट का हमें, ईच यूनिट का पता है हमें $450 का, एंड वी गॉट द करेक्ट आंसर 1.35 मिलियन, ठीक है. करेक्ट आंसर, ठीक है. आई होप एवरीथिंग इज क्लियर, ठीक है. वेरी गुड, सिंपल है. डिटरमाइन द फिक्स्ड कॉस्ट. फिक्स कॉस्ट, मुझे इंक चेंज करने का बड़ा शौक है. सॉरी, डिटरमाइन द फिक्स्ड कॉस्ट यूजिंग हाई लो मेथड. हाई लो मेथड कुछ नहीं है, ठीक है. सी टोटल कॉस्ट इंक्लूड्स फिक्स्ड कॉस्ट प्लस वेरिएबल कॉस्ट. हमें अलग करना है, ठीक है. वी नीड टू सेपरेट इट. सो फिक्स्ड कॉस्ट इज सेम. द फिक्स्ड कॉस्ट is same in all three activities. If we want to calculate, if we want to find out the fixed cost, the variable cost, ठीक है, what we need to do, हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा यहाँ पे? Just give it a look. So इन दोनों को पकड़ लो, ठीक है. Fixed cost is same. We know fixed cost is same. So just deduct 8,000 from 16,500. इस 16,500 में से 8,000 माइनस कर दो. You'll get 8,500. Level of activity 8500 units. और ये कितना आ जाएगा? This is 34,000. So for producing 8,500 units, 34,000 is the cost. 34,000 is the variable cost. It is not a fixed cost. Fixed cost is इसमें included थी, ठीक है. For to increase, fixed cost is same है, सब में same है, ठीक है. For producing additional 8,500 units, you are spending $34,000, ठीक है, to produce additional. So ये सारी की सारी variable cost है. Fixed cost तो same है, ठीक है. So you just divide it. तो आपका कितना जाता है? It is 17 and it's $4 per unit is your variable cost. Is your variable cost सब में, ठीक है. Now you can easily find out the fixed cost. कहीं पे भी multiply कर दीजिए. ये 8 वाला easy है, that is simple. So 8,000 multiplied by, I guess, कहीं पे भी कर लीजिए. 8,000 multiplied by 4. That is your variable cost. That is your variable cost. ठीक है. तो total cost कितना था? 52,000. Total cost कितना था? 52,000. तो बाकी का क्या बचा? That is whatever left is a fixed cost. बाकी क्या बचा? It's 20,000. It's what? It is fixed cost. So B is the correct answer. Very simple. ठीक है. Simple है, समझ नहीं आया? Let me know and I'm going to answer it. ठीक है. Yeah, capital budgeting I'll be doing it. ठीक है. IBPS SO की classes भी करेंगे. I'll do it tomorrow. ठीक है. Don't worry. Sardar ji, I'll do it tomorrow. ठीक है. Anybody who's unable to understand, please let me know. And if there is any problem in the class, वो भी let me know. ठीक है. Very easy class. इतने ही question आते हैं पेपर में. So that's important. Process X has a fixed cost of 50,000 per month and a variable cost of 10. Exam relevant question. Directly from exam level question. ठीक है. Process Y has a fixed cost of 20,000 per unit. इसका फिक्स कॉस्ट है 50,000, इसका 20,000. वेरिएबल 10 यूनिट, इसका 25 यूनिट. at what level their total cost would be same. At what level their total cost जो है दोनों की सेम होगी. दोनों की जो at what level, किस लेवल पे दोनों का जो है टोटल कॉस्ट जो है सेम होगा. At what level total cost would be same. At what level total cost would be same. ये एक्चुअली क्वेश्चन था, मैं पूरा बनाना भूल गया, सॉरी. At what level total cost would be same. हाँ, लक्ष्मीधर प्रधान सर कमेंट रीड करो प्लीज. लक्ष्मी, मैं कमेंट पढ़ रहा हूँ. I'll do capital budgeting mock test. I don't want to disturb the class. मैंने पढ़ लिया, डोंट वरी, ठीक है. मैं सारे कमेंट पढ़ता हूँ, डोंट वरी, ठीक है. So simply you know that total cost is equal to fixed cost plus variable cost. ठीक है. So X का fixed cost is 50,000. ठीक है. Variable cost is 10 unit, 10 rupees 10 per unit. ठीक है. Rupees 10 per unit. So what we need to find out कि किस लेवल पे, at which level the total cost is same for X and Y. At which level the total cost is same for X and Y. So at which level, ये level जो है कहाँ पे same होगा? Simple. Are you getting it? At which level the total cost is same. ठीक है. We want that level. So simple. इसको इधर ले आइए 30,000. ये उधर चल जाएगा, is 15x. So you got the value of X. It is 2,000. When X is producing 2,000 units, when X is producing, you can do it yourself. When X is producing 2,000 units, ठीक है. So it is 50,000 plus 50,000 plus variable भी आपके पास आ गया, ठीक है. So it's around, I guess, 20,000. तो X का हो गया 70,000, ठीक है. इसका भी हो गया 70,000, ठीक है. Okay. सो इसका भी देखिए 25 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 2000, 50,000 प्लस 20,000, 70,000, दोनों का 70,000 जब खर्चेंगे तो दे कैन प्रोड्यूस 2,000 यूनिट्स. सो इट इज 2,000 यूनिट्स इज द करेक्ट आंसर. आई होप यू आर गेटिंग माई whatever I'm trying to teach you. समझ आ रहा है, I guess. Not complicated but not very easy. अगर आपको नहीं आता है तो, अगर आप भूल चुके हैं तो it's time to revise. ठीक है. So Bank of India Credit Officer course, I'm already doing it on BankExamsToday.com. In the last these 10 days, you can boost your scores using our video classes, notes, test series. Just join the course to boost your scores. This course can actually boost your scores. Okay. So list of students who cracked the exam using our classes. So yeah, link to join the course and the test series is available in the description. You can join it. Okay, that's all for today, students. Thank you and have a very, very nice